In order to improve ourselves as Muslims, we should look at the biography of the Prophets, the companions and the awliya karam. Now we can look at one blessed individual, the beloved daughter of Sayyidina Mustafa sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam, Sayyidatuna Fatima Zahra radiyallahu ta'ala anha. She was an ocean of generosity and a mountain of patience. Subhanallah azza wa jal. She herself would remain hungry for many days, but the river of generosity, it would not stop flowing from her house. Subhanallah azza wa jal. It comes in a narration that Sayyidina Imam Hassan Mujtaba radiyallahu ta'ala an, he has narrated that one day some food was arranged after we had starved in the previous meal. My father, Sayyidina Ali, and my younger brother, Sayyidina Imam Hussein radiyallahu ta'ala an, had eaten, but my mother had not yet eaten. As she reached for the bread, a beggar beseeched at the door that, "O daughter of the Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam, I have been starving for 2 meals. Please fill my stomach." My mother radiyallahu ta'ala an, she stopped instantly and ordered me, "Give this food to the beggar. I have starved for 1 meal, but he has not eaten for 2 meals." Subhanallah azza wa jal. This was the generosity of Sayyidina Fatima Zahra. We can learn from this and adopt this great attribute, and we should also be amongst those who are generous. We should look towards our neighbors, our families, friends and other Muslims. They may be in need of help, and look at those brothers and sisters who do not even have a single piece of bread to eat. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam.